Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an Emini Trading Room recap for the 8th of October, Tuesday, and today was another good day in the markets. We basically, chopped around and then the market just fell apart from there. We had two trades and we were basically 50-50 on the day. Our first trade, we did take out a loss. We kind of watched all this mess here and got long down here, which in hindsight obviously was a mistake. But trading it is what it is, I guess. But anyway, the market did come up a little bit and then just turned over and took us out. And we kind of watched things as they did start developing. We did take a short. And we held it throughout through here, and then we did exit down here. So we were able to, make back what was lost and a little bit extra. So we made a point and a quarter on the day, which isn't the best day in the world, but it's definitely not the worst day in the world. And that's definitely important, I think. It's important to see, I think, especially if you're a new trader, or I guess even if you're experienced, if you're struggling, if you're usually the stages of a trader. First, you lose a lot of money, and then you lose less money, and then you're constantly like break even. You make money, you lose money, make money, lose money, and then after that, after you get past that hurdle, then you should start your journey towards a consistent trader. First you'll make a little bit of money consistently, then you'll make a little more consistently, and then bam, you're a professional trader. And that's the way that I see it. That's how I see that transition process. And the time frames between them vary by the individual because everyone's different. Everyone's going to have different experiences in life, and they're going to come with different habits and stuff that they do, and that's why everyone's different, and the time frames for those are going to be different because of that. Hopefully that makes sense. But anyway, just to see that this trade was not successful, and then this trade we definitely made money on, and to be able to see that I think is definitely important. To take a day that your first trade is unsuccessful and to have the objectivity to look at it and take another trade and turn that day into a positive day. And not every day happens like that. I have losing days. It's part of trading. If you're going to be a long-term trader, some days are going to be unsuccessful. Some of your days are going to be positive, some of your days negative, other days are kind of be so-so days. They're not going to be great, but they're not going to be horrible. And that's what today was. We pulled out a point quarter. It's definitely a pretty good month, and to be able to turn a loss into a gain is definitely an important skill, and it's something that really anybody can do. It just takes time. You have to know what you're doing and know how to flow with the market, rather than I took a loss, let me make it up. I have to make a lot of trades to be able to make it up. Just take your trade and go from there. Let the market do what it wants to do. And that's what really our job is as retail traders. We don't dictate the market. We don't tell the market what to do. We see what the market is doing, and then we play off of that, just like a great poker player does. A great poker player is going to read their opponent, and then he's going to make his move based upon what his opponent does. And that is basically what a trader does as well. You watch the market and you make your trades based upon what the market is doing, and that objectivity is what will make you a successful trader. So anyway, hopefully you got something out of what I was talking about today. Hopefully it made sense to you. You can always leave comments below the video if you want. I encourage questions. If you have a question, I encourage you to ask it. There's no such thing as a dumb question. If you have a question, definitely ask it. And if you don't want to ask it in an open forum, a lot of people do like to email me, and that's fine. However you ask the question, it doesn't matter to me. It just matters that you do ask the question, if that makes sense. You can email me, support@abusinesswithtrading.com. With that, thanks for watching. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.